Hey, Adam here, and in this video I just wanted to show you step by step how to buy your actual domain for your blog, because a lot of you might be kind of confused and might be scared to go about buying it because you've never done this before, or you've always thought it's really hard to buy a website name or something. So I just wanted to show you real quick that it's very, very easy and that you really have nothing to worry about. So really all you have to do is go to GoDaddy.com, which is GODADDY.com. I know it's kind of a funny name, but hey, you remember it, right, for the next time? So what you do is you just go at the top here where it says start your domain search, and you just type in whatever you want your domain to be. So for example, my domain that I want to try right now is Adam is cool, and then you pick it right here, and you have a choice between all of these ones. Remember I told you to register the .com and the .tv? Well, we're going to first start with the .com, and then once you buy your .com, then you could come back and you just scroll down to the bottom here and you pick your .tv. Alright, so that's really all you have to do. So we're going to start with .com, and we're just going to click go. And you see right here where it says an X, you see this X right here? That means that this domain has already been taken. So that means you cannot buy that domain and you cannot use it. So this is a very good example of what it's going to show you, because a lot of you might be confused if you type that in and you see that there's an X there and you're like, well, what just happened? That means someone else is using that. So what you do is you just click back and let's try another one. Adam is awesome. It's taken as well. So you're going to have to kind of go through a process trying to find ones that will work and will be available. Adam is a boss.com. Let's see about this one. There we go. Adam is a boss is available. Just $10.69. Check mark. That means it's available. So now what you do is, all you do is you click continue to registration. And they're going to ask you about a whole bunch of different things here. Buy the other version, buy this, that. Just click no thanks. You don't need anything but the .com. But then after you've bought the .com, you want to go and buy the .tv. And then all you have to do is, if you are already a customer, you put in your information here. But if you're not a customer, here you go. You just fill in your first name, last name, email address, your company name. So that one you could just leave blank. And if they keep asking for it, just put in your name or something. It's not a big deal. Then you could just scroll down here and put address, and then just like a regular, you just have to fill this out just because you're creating an account in GoDaddy, and then you just click continue. And once you click continue, it'll ask you for your credit card information, and then they'll just let you buy that domain on the spot, and then you'll have that domain. And then what I'm going to do in the next video is actually show you how to actually get your domain as your website with your blog. So I'm going to show you how to do that with Tumblr, which I'm going to talk about in the next PowerPoint in the next video. So you'll see that there for sure. So do not worry about that. It's very, very easy to do. And obviously, if you still have problems with it, you could always go to youtube.com, or you could always go to Google and search your way to answers. I mean, it's very, very easy to do that. Just type it on Google. How do I set up my domain once I have it? This and that, you know. Simple stuff. So that's that. So that's really all you have to do for getting your domain on GoDaddy. Now, like I said before, once you've bought your .com, they'll ask you after you've purchased, do you want to purchase anything else? And then you'll just say yes, and you'll take you back here, and now you search for the same domain, and then you just change it to .tv by scrolling down here, .tv, and clicking go, and you'll be ready to go. And that's really all you need to do to buy your name. So remember, if you have siblings, if you have a son, or you have a daughter, or you have a friend or something, tell them to go and buy their domain, their name, because it's really important to brand yourself. And I'm telling you now, even if you're not branding yourself as what you're trying to get out there as the leader of your passion, even if you're using a pen name, buy your pen name, but then also buy your real name, because you might not want to use it now, but in 3 years time you might need it for some reason, because I'm telling you, everything's going to go online. So if you have your domain bought already, you won't have to worry about trying to get it back from someone else, which is a really, really big struggle, and you don't want to deal with that. So this is the easiest way to go, I promise. Just buy it now so you have it. Alright, so what I'm going to show you now is, you saw how it was $10 or so. I'm going to show you how to get a discount, because I think it's important that you know how to get a discount. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to go into Google right now, and I'm going to type in on Google, GoDaddy promo code. You see the top here, the first one, GoDaddy promo codes? Click that, and right here, they're going to give you a list of all these different promo codes, and I like to use the first one as my favorite, which is, you get all your domains, instead of $10, they become $7.49. So that's like $3 right off the bat that you get off. So that's a good one. There's a $5 off with any $30 purchase, all $10 off with $50 purchase, all the way down. And there's other promo codes down listed here. So GoDaddy promo code, and you just click that in on Google and you search, and the first one will be the one that you get to use. And you just copy that, and when you're buying it, it'll say, do you have any promo codes? You just plug it in there, you click refresh on the little refresh tab next to the code, and not refresh on the page, refresh on the little, you'll know what I'm talking about, on the actual page, and it'll refresh the price of your domain, and it'll be cheaper because you just use a promo code. So that's really all it is to buying your domain, and I hope this helped. Thanks again for watching, and go get started, buy your domain. Alright, talk to you later, and see ya.